Hi and welcome to BikeNord. Today we will talk about a product from Harley Davidson for your Pan America. It's actually the headlight guard. As you know, the Pan America has a very nice LED headlight. It's one unit, so if you crack the glass or something on that unit, you need to replace the whole unit. And when you ride off-road with your friends, etc., it's very easy that you get a stone or something up and hit the lead. You don't want that to happen. So that's why we have this headlight guard from Harley Davidson. The part number is 677005555A. So with this part you will protect your LED headlight. Let's look inside. So here is some parts underneath. The headlight guard itself, it's in the box and it looks like that. And then we have a small bag with some smaller parts. There is some brackets. What we need. Okay. Don't ask me how yet. Have to be careful because there are very small parts inside. We have an instruction sheet as well that tells you exactly how to install it. Normally there should be in the instruction content list of the kit, and I always check this so we have all the parts. The screw, 6 of those, the grill, protection pad left right, protection pad left right, backing pad left right, protection bracket left, protection bracket right, and 6 spacers. So the list is complete. We got everything in the kit. So let's mount this together with a fairing. What you need to do is to take off the fairing, put it on the nice surface, protective, and then start mounting it on the fairing. That's the good thing about this. When you take on and off your fairing, it's just sitting on 4 rubber grommets, so it's very easy to just take it off and put it on. And this will follow the fairing always. So if you need to clean or do something on the headlight, it's very easy to reach the glass. Just take off the fairing and then you can clean it. But you will see that when we mount it on the bike. So let's go over to the bike. I have the bike on a lift, so it's easy for me to reach up to the fairing. The fairing is actually a piece of plastic, and there are 4 connection points that actually goes into these 4 rubber grommets here. So when you take your fairing on and off, just pull it out from here, and then you have it loose. And what we need to do is to put the LED guard on the fairing, so like this, somehow, so it will protect the LED. So let's start. I got the grill here, I have my small screws here in a small plastic jug, just to, I don't want to lose them. There are 4 protection pads. Some will go on this, and 2 pieces will go on this. And I think it's the small piece that should go in the inside here as well as here. So what I want to do, I want to clean it with some alcohol. Maybe it's easier to do it like this. Let's see. It will go on the... So, now we have the pieces on place. I think we should put this like this. As you see, this is, I need some time to do this, but it's very straightforward when you know how to do it. So I'll be back. Okay, so now I got it, I think. You need to put the fairing, like I do now, upside down, and it's a little bit easier to get to reach all the pieces like this. You need some patience to do this, so take it easy, no stress. Okay, so now it's in place, and as you see, it's actually a bracket on the back side and the grill on the front, and there are 3 screws on each side that actually squeeze the grill to the fairing with the back plate. So now it's important to actually see, so you get this aligned and in position. It looks good. So I start with the corners. Squeeze them together. Okay. I don't want to scratch the front of the grill. Okay, now it's there. Everything is there. So it was actually not so big deal when it was ready. As you see, there is actually a small bar and shield in the front as well. I like those small details. So then it's just to put it back on the bike. Let's see how it looks. Grommets down there. Okay. Let's clean it a little bit. Okay, so now it's ready on the bike. Looking really cool. Gives the bike a little bit more aggressive look. It took some time for me to figure out how to mount it, but if you read the instructions in detail, you will really get it right the first time. I had some problem with the pads. I didn't get it right in the first time, and I was lucky that I could actually take it off again from the brackets and put it on again on the right side. So please read the instruction. So that was all from me today. And the headlight, actually tactical tracker headlamp guard kit. That's the name of this product. Tactical headlight guard kit. Really nice to have to protect your LEDs. That was all from me, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Until we see each other in the next episode, have a really nice day.